Hi, I'm Antik Santosh. I had a history of sport injury 2 years back, and the doctors recommended that I had to undergo a knee surgery. My left knee was injured, and they did a high tibial osteotomy with ACL reconstruction and meniscus repair on the 11th July 2024. So after the surgery, I was in a lot of pain, uh, stiffness, numbness, and after a week, the surgeon recommended that I start physiotherapy, and they recommended Dr. Harsha's physiotherapy clinic. When I came here, Dr. Harsha thoroughly assessed me and drew up a plan for my recovery. Initially, I couldn't bend my knee. I could barely do 50 to 60 degrees. But over a period of time, within 7 sessions, I could bend my knee to 100 degrees. So, once my bandages were removed, they did gentle exercises lying down. I was using a walker, and after a few sessions, I had transitioned from a walker to a cane. With progressive exercises, strengthening with balance training, and core strengthening exercises, I'm able to walk now confidently, and I regain my confidence, and this journey after my surgery, after my recovery, has been an amazing journey, and I am indeed very grateful, extremely grateful to Dr. Harsha Physiotherapy Clinic and the entire team, Dr. Harsha, Dr. Khadija, Dr. Ishwari, Dr. Gandhari, and together with the receptionist, Mrs. Shalini, there were an entire team who welcomed me to this place and saw my journey and witnessed this journey, that I'm able to gain my confidence to walk again. So I'm tremendously grateful for their support and for their guidance in every step of the way, even to guide me to do how much not to do, which I tend to do extra. So I'm grateful to them, and it's grown an affinity to this place, being regular, because I come here for 30 to 35 sessions, and it's been an amazing journey. And I thank each one of them for their help, for their guidance, and God bless, and many more as they reach out to many more. May their work be an amazing journey for everyone else.